What are you gonna do now, okay?
Trampoline.
What is it?
Trampoline.
A trample what?
A trampoline.
A trampoline?
Yeah.
Whose trampoline is it?
Right.
Yours. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? This is the first time, huh? Go. Jump. Whoa, buddy. Is that fun? Look down. Look down. Over there in the middle. Turn around. Now jump. Look down. Do you see the lights? Whoa. Is that fun? Can you land on your butt? Jump and land on your butt. Fall on your butt. Oh. You see the lights? Say, hey, come here. Say, thanks, Grandma.
Thank you, my grandma.